guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I'm in my car. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this cute little bear right here. First, you're going to make an ear. Just like this. Right there. Then, you guys are going to make a little top. Like that. Then you're going to make another ear right next to it. Then you're going to start going down with the head. Like that. Then you're going to make a little curve for the little cheek like that. And same thing with the other side. Make sure you make it kind of pointy too. As just like this, right here. Now for the almost last step of the face. You're gonna draw 2 oval eyes, just like that. Then you're gonna draw an upside down little, triangle, just like that. Then that triangle is going to be the nose. So then you're going to draw a little mouth, just like this. Back to the eyes, you're just going to draw 2 things, pupils, going anywhere. Then you're going to color the pupils in, like this. There we go. Now time for the body. You're gonna make kind of an oval shape right under the head. Then you're gonna back to the head. See the mouth right there? I just put a little half circle right under the mouth to make it look like it's going like, ah, like that. Then you're gonna give it some blush like that. Now moving on to the body again. You're going to draw half oval inside of that oval. Then you're going to draw a slightly tiny little tail for the bear. Now all we need is the arms and the legs. The arms are the cutest part. Then the legs are going to be like coming out just like this. And guys, that's how you make a little bear. Bye guys.